Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show how you can get a alert message on WhatsApp on generating a new lead from your website or from your subscription form. So guys, here you can see we are setting up an automation between Kartra application, which is an all-in-one marketing tool for your business, and WhatsApp. So guys, we are connecting Kartra as a trigger application to trigger or start our workflow with this trigger event, which is lead created. So as and when you got a lead created through your website page, through your subscription form which you have created with Kartra, you are going to receive a message on WhatsApp saying to you, informing you that you have generated a new lead and the details of the leads are these. Okay. So guys, you can also set up this automation without any coding very easily. Let me show you how. So guys, first of all, you need to reach here on this link pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted this link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get free automation tasks for setting up and testing your automations. Okay. So after signing up, you have to log in and reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And here you need to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click on this create workflow button. And here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So I'm giving the name here as Kartra lead alerts on WhatsApp. So after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is here. So this is our page, and here we have this trigger and action, which are the basic building blocks of our automation. So with the help of these things, we are going to set up this automation by connecting Kartra application as our trigger application and WhatsApp as our action application. So from this trigger section, search for Kartra. Here it is selected. And here you have to select the trigger event, and the trigger event would be lead fills your form. Here we have this option, lead fills an opt-in form. You have to select this. Okay. And here guys, in the action, you have to select WhatsApp's cloud API. Like, I'll show you the action step later on. First of all, let's see the trigger. So here in the trigger, you can see it is written here, when this happens, that means whenever a lead is going to fill your opt-in form that you have created with Kartra application, the workflow is going to be trigger and start working. Okay. So guys, first of all, you need to connect with Kartra application by following these instructions written here. And with the help of this webhook URL, we are going to make this connection. And after that, we are going to fetch the response of that webhook connection. Okay. So let me show you how you can connect with Kartra. So guys, this is the landing page I have created in Kartra, and this is an opt-in form I have created here. So let me show you the dashboard of Kartra application now. This is the dashboard. And guys, here you can see on the left hand side panel, I have this My Integrations option. Click on My Integrations. Here we have this API tab here. And under API tab, you have this My API option. Click on My API. And guys, here you can see we have this Outbound API option. Outbound API. Here you have to click on this Change button. All right. And you have to select this Yes, Activate Outbound API option. You have to check this. Okay. And it will show you these fields. So here guys, you have to add a URL to send the API call to. So click on add here, and this kind of field will open up in front of you. And here in this field, you have to paste this webhook URL. So click on copy from here, copy this webhook URL, and you have to paste this URL, webhook URL here in this field. All right, like this. And you have to select the leading HTTP address from this drop down, and you have to remove this HTTP now from this URL. Okay, like this. And now you have to select the event you want Kartra to notify your API URL about. This means you have to select the event that whenever the lead is going to fill your form, the data will be sent from Kartra to your workflow. Okay, and trigger your workflow. So select this option here, lead fills form. Okay, and here it is asking to select the opt-in form that you have created. So this is my opt-in form's name. I have selected it. Now click on add here. Okay, and this event is added. Now you'll find this save button right here. Click on save, and you can see an outbound API or the webhook connection is saved here, right? And here you can see, as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now I'm going to open the page, the landing page I have created, and I'm going to fill the opt-in form manually on behalf of any demo lead, and the demo lead's data will be captured here in this response section as the test data. And with the help of that data only, we are going to move forward. So here, let me open the form or the page I have created. So we have this My Pages option here in Kartra. This is a page I have created. So from these three dots, I am going to get the link of my page. This is the publishing link. Okay. So here I'm going to copy this link, or you can open this link directly from here like this. So this is the page I have created, and this is an opt-in form, a subscription form I have added here. So let me fill in the details of any dummy person. So the name is dummy person only, and here let me put the dummy email address. Okay, so I have filled the details manually, and I'm clicking on subscribe now. All right, so it is redirected here. I have already selected the redirection link. So I have attached the forum link of Pabbly only. Okay, so the form is submitted actually. The form is submitted, and we have got a new lead here, and you can see the details of that lead in Kartra also. And so here you can see we got the lead here in Kartra, dummy person. Okay, and let's check in our workflow if we got the details of this lead. And here you can see in this response received section, we got the response of the form submission. So this is the name of the person, this is the email address, okay, and these are all the details. So this is how we can capture the details of a demo lead here or a test lead. And now guys, I want to send a notification message or an alert message to myself only to inform myself that I have got a new lead generated, and I want that message on WhatsApp. For that, we need to connect WhatsApp here in this action step. And to connect with WhatsApp, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's application programming interface or API. So we are going to use WhatsApp's own cloud API platform to get that access. So first of all, you need to set up your cloud API, guys. You need to connect your number with the cloud API of WhatsApp. And for that, you can watch the video from the description where we have thoroughly explained everything about the WhatsApp's cloud API platform and how you can use it. So after watching that video and setting up your cloud API, you can just search for WhatsApp cloud API here in the section step like this, and you can connect it. Okay. And in the action event, you have to select send template message option, then click on connect. And from this window, if you are making the connection with the cloud API for the very first time, you have to select this add new connection option. And then you can rename this connection as well. And the connection that you are making by this process by selecting add new connection option will be saved here in your account. Okay. So here guys, it is asking for the permanent access token of your cloud API, the phone number ID, and the business account ID. So guys, if you want to know more about the cloud API setup, you can just click here on this here word written in blue. Okay. And you will reach the forum page of Pabbly. And here we have instructions and details about the cloud API setup. Let the page open up here. So guys, here you can see on this page we have this these two videos first. So first video is for setting up the cloud API inside Pabbly Connect, and then we have the video on generating the permanent access token inside cloud API. Then we have these instructions written here to connect cloud API in the trigger and in the actions, so you can learn many things about the cloud API setup from here only. Okay. So guys, here it is asking for that permanent token, the phone number ID, and the business account ID. So to get these things, let me show you my cloud API setup. So guys, here I am under Meta for Developers section. Here is the WhatsApp option you can see, and I'm under Getting Started page. And here you can see we got this temporary access token. So first they gave you temporary tokens, guys, but these tokens expires in 24 hours. Okay, so you need to generate a permanent access token of your cloud API. And to know how to do that, you can watch the video from the description or from this forum page. Okay, and after generating the token, you have to keep it safe because we are going to use the same token afterwards also in future. So after getting the token, you have to paste the token here in this field, and you will find the phone number ID here, which is this. You can just copy it and paste it here. And you will find the business account ID also. Here is the business account ID. Copy that and paste it here. All right. And after pasting all the things, you have to click on save, and you will be connected with WhatsApp's cloud API, and this connection will be saved in your account. So the next time if you want to make the connection again, you can use the same saved connection or the existing connection with the cloud API. As I have already made many connections with my cloud API setup before in different workflows, I can use the existing connections. Let me show you. We have this existing connection option. Just select it, and it will show you the list of all the existing connections that you have like this. And from here you can choose any of your existing connection. Let me choose anyone. Let's say I have renamed one. Okay, this one, WhatsApp Cloud API Final. And now just click on save, and I'll be connected again. So you can see we are now connected, and here you have to select the template's name. So guys, you need to create standard predefined message structures inside your cloud API setup before you send messages through this workflow or through automations. So guys, I have already created message template here. Let me show you. These are all the approved templates I have in my cloud API setup, and the template I am using for this purpose is this one. Let me show you. So guys, this is a message template I have created for this purpose. If you want to know how to create templates and how to approve them, you can watch the video from the description, guys, where we have explained everything about the creation of the templates. Okay, and you can also create such a template. So you can see the preview of the message. So when I'm going to use this template, the message is going to look like this on WhatsApp. So it is saying, "Hi Roger Binney, this is just a sample name. Your lead has been created with the following details." Okay, so this is how you can get an alert message. So you have to select this template from this templates list. Just search for the template's name. My template's name is this new lead. Okay, here is new lead template. Select it, and in this template you can see in place of this Roger Binney and these things, you can change the data. You can just see here in this body box, I have this 1 here in double curly braces, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the variable tags or the body fields of our message template. That means we can change 5 things in this template every time we are going to send a message. Okay, so to get these things changed dynamically with every new message, you need to map the values of these body fields in your workflow. So first of all, you select the lead, and then it will ask for recipient's mobile number. So here you have to enter the WhatsApp number on which you want to send the message. So guys, you have to enter the number in this format. You can see without any plus sign and with the country code. 91 is for India. You have to enter yours. So I'm just putting a demo number just to show you. And here you can see it has started asking for the body field 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's map the values of these fields accordingly. Here, first of all, I want to mention the name of the person to whom we are sending this message. So if you're sending this message to your marketing manager or to yourself, you can just enter the name here. So I'm entering the name as let's say demo name. I'm not using original names, guys. Okay, here in the second body field, let's see what we have. Okay, so here we are going to mention the details of our lead. So we got the lead details in the first step. Okay, in the Kartra step, in the trigger, we have collected the test data of the leads like this. Okay, so I'm going to map these labels that I have received here in this step. So to map the label, just click here and it will show you the Kartra step or the trigger step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the details that you have received in the first step. So from here I am going to map this name label like this. Similarly, in the third body field, we are going to map the email address of the lead. In the fourth body field, it is asking for the mobile number. So if you have the mobile number, you can map it. So right now we do not. Okay, so we have the mobile number actually. Map it. And here it is asking for what is the last body field. Okay, so here you can put the name of your organization like this. Okay. Now you can check your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request, and a test message will be delivered to this recipient mobile number WhatsApp account. Okay, so guys, I am going to show you the WhatsApp message by putting my WhatsApp number here. So after filling my WhatsApp number, I am going to click on save and send test request to show you how the message is going to look like. Okay, so guys, I have clicked on save and send test request, and we have received a new message here, you can see. And the message is this: hi demo name, your lead has been created with the following details, dummy person, and these are the same details you can see that I have mapped here, dummy person. Okay, and you can see everything is the same as I have mapped here. So you can see the values are correctly placed in place of the body fields you have. Okay, and our connection is working fine. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation, guys, only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, as and when you are going to receive any new lead through your Kartra form, you are going to receive these kind of WhatsApp alerts, these kinds of alert messages automatically. Okay, so you don't have to even open this workflow. It will run in the background. You are going to receive a lead, you are going to receive a alert message. Okay, so you can directly track the leads on your WhatsApp only. And guys, if you want to use this workflow, you can use it, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.